Living in Miami Beach means enjoying stunning ocean views, refreshing breezes, and year-round sunshine. But with these coastal perks also comes the reality of powerful storms, high winds, and hurricane seasons that demand strong home protection. For homeowners who want both beauty and safety, hurricane-resistant bay windows offer the perfect solution, providing expansive views while helping shield your home from severe weather conditions. Here's why hurricane-resistant bay windows are becoming a top upgrade for Miami Beach residences and how they deliver both style and security. Built to withstand extreme coastal weather, Miami Beach homes face some of the toughest weather conditions in the country. Traditional bay windows, while beautiful, may not be designed to meet the area's hurricane standards. Hurricane-resistant bay windows, however, are specifically engineered to handle violent storms. These windows are built with impact-resistant laminated glass reinforced frames designed to resist high wind pressure, durable hardware tested for coastal conditions, multi-layered glazing that prevents shattering. Even if debris hits the window, the inner layer keeps the glass intact, reducing the risk of dangerous shards and preventing your home from being exposed to wind infiltration. Enhanced home security year-round. Beyond storm protection, hurricane-resistant bay windows also improve everyday home security. Their impact-resistant materials are incredibly difficult to break, offering homeowners peace of mind long after hurricane season ends. Enhanced security includes stronger resistance to forced entry, multi-point locking systems, reinforced frame connection points, tamper-resistant hardware. Your home stays better protected from intruders and harsh weather alike. Energy efficiency that helps beat the Miami Beach heat. In addition to safety benefits, hurricane-resistant bay windows also help Miami Beach homeowners save energy. Their insulated glass and airtight construction keep cool air inside and block hot, humid air from entering. Energy-saving features include low-E coatings that reflect solar heat, double or triple pane insulated glass thermal breaks to reduce heat transfer, airtight seals that minimize drafts. This results in lower cooling costs, especially during Miami Beach's hot, sunny summers, and more consistent indoor comfort. Naturally bright interiors without compromising safety. Bay windows are loved for their ability to fill a room with natural light. Hurricane-resistant bay windows offer the same stunning brightness while still protecting your home from strong winds and impact debris. Homeowners enjoy sun-filled rooms, panoramic views of the ocean or neighborhood, a more open and airy interior atmosphere, increased natural lighting without overheating. Low-E coatings ensure you can enjoy the sunshine without excessive heat gain or UV damage to floors and furniture. Added space and style for coastal living. Bay windows create a beautiful architectural feature that expands your living space and enhances the design of your home. Whether you turn the extra space into a cozy seating nook, reading corner, or decorative display, hurricane-resistant bay windows add charm and functionality. Additional style benefits include improved curb appeal, a luxurious, custom-built look, a better indoor-outdoor connection, a focal point that elevates any room. This upgrade enhances both the interior and exterior appearance of your Miami Beach home. Long-lasting durability for coastal environments. Salt air, humidity, and constant exposure to sunlight can quickly wear down traditional windows. Hurricane-resistant bay windows are made with corrosion-resistant frames and materials that hold up in coastal climates. Designed for durability, resistant to rust and corrosion, low maintenance finishes, strong seals that withstand heat and moisture, long-lasting structural integrity. This means fewer repairs, less maintenance, and greater value over time. Final thoughts. Hurricane-resistant bay windows offer Miami Beach homeowners the perfect combination of breathtaking beauty and uncompromising protection. With their impact-resistant construction, energy-efficient design, security benefits, and stylish appearance, these windows upgrade your home's comfort, safety, and value. If you want to enjoy panoramic views and a safer living space, without sacrificing elegance, hurricane-resistant bay windows are a smart, future-proof investment for your coastal home.